This guide, In the Beginning There Was Powerlifting, a brief introduction to the world of powerlifting and how to train for powerlifting, will introduce you to the world of powerlifting by one of its inhabitants. In the beginning, we'll show the basic steps for starting on your journey, including the lifts, assistance exercises, stretching, plyometrics, and briefly, diet and supplementation. The lifts, assistance exercises, and plyometric work will be covered in a detailed program. The program will break down each major lift in detail and the assistance exercises and plyometric work needed to help develop these major lifts. The program will outline the proper way to do the lifts in an effective and safe manner. Stretching and safety will be covered in detail in the guide so that you don't risk injury and can lift confidently. Diet and supplementation will be covered in order to give you a basic understanding, but it will not be inclusive of all the information you need. It will simply provide the framework you need to be successful. By the end of the guide, you will know how to properly powerlift and will have a plan laid out to get there. You will know how to stretch properly and be safe. You will have an understanding of diet and supplementation and their importance to powerlifting. In the end, you will have the tools to be successful and to become a more powerful you.